afternoon, guys. For today's video, guys, I'm gonna walk again inside the park, and I just got home just now, guys. The time here is already 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So I'm gonna start my walking here, and that way, guys, is our dormitory. And I'm gonna cross this street going there, guys, inside the park. So come on, guys, let's join me again on my walking. And since last morning, guys, it's raining here, and it's a sign that the winter is really approaching, guys. And I just checked the temperature today for the first time, and it's already 19 degrees centigrade, guys. So it's already winter time here. The sky is really so dark, and maybe, guys, it's gonna rain again tonight or later tomorrow. A little bit noisy here, guys, because in between, guys, in the park is the highway. So better, guys, I'm gonna go this way. It's a little bit noisy on that side. There's a lot of car passing by on the road, so I'm gonna I'm gonna go this way, guys. Oh, it's cold. It's really cold today, guys, because it's been raining since last night and until last morning here. Okay, guys. Here the floor. It's not, the water is not yet subsided, even here in the park, just like in the hospital. Looking at the water still there, not yet subsided, guys. What time is it now? The time now is 5:05 in the afternoon, guys. And it's only 5 minutes to walk from our dormitory up to here. But there's a lot of people already here in the park. It's still early, but they are here already, guys. Floor still wet, still there is water on the floor. You can see, guys, the sky is dark, so cloudy. I haven't seen the sun today, the whole day I haven't seen, guys. Because the sky covered with thick clouds. But I love the weather like this, guys. So cool. It's nice to walk in the park. Hello, Assalamualaikum. What's your name, Habibti? اسمك انتي؟ جميلة انتي؟ كيف حالك؟ جميلة انتو؟ كيف حالك حبيبتي؟ جميلة. ما سلام. They are so cute. I think they are twin, guys. Cute. So once again, guys, let's join me again on my walking around the park. I don't have any plan to walk today, but I just remember I think 2 days already that I haven't walked, guys. I'm just only sleeping after my work because I'm coming home late from work the last 2 days. So when I just stepped down from the bus, guys, and I suddenly changed my mind. I better come over here to take a walk for maybe 1 hour, guys, or maybe 45 to 1 hour again, or more than. And I hope it's not gonna rain while I'm walking here inside the park. Otherwise, guys, I'm gonna wait until the rain will stop. I'll be stuck here in the park otherwise, guys, because I don't have the umbrella also, guys. So, it's nice to walk. It's cold. It's so cold, guys, really. And the temperature is already 19 degrees centigrade. I don't have sweater, I don't have jacket. I feel cold. I'm just tired. Again, guys, I'm here under the tree and I really love listening the soothing sound of the bird, guys. I'm gonna stay here for a while. I want to stay here for just a few minutes. The time here now is 5:15 in the afternoon, guys. you can see, guys, I can see a lot of birds is already getting nesting on the trees. Where are they? Oh, my sunglasses fall down. Oh, it's so cold really, guys, because